Hello, and today my son Ben's joining in.
There you go.
Yeah. We have the honour of introducing a brand new product coming onto the market early in January 2019. Right? From the makers of the world's hottest corn chips, which are
Pretty hot.
nice and warm, yes,
They're hot.
comes the new version. We have delicious BBQ Habanero. Right?
Yeah.
The other ones, yeah, are quite warm, and Mick said he'd get a nice mellower version coming out and help test them.
Yep.
Yep. So these are the final ones. They should be out in shops as well as on the site. I don't know if we'll sell them, we might sell them, but yeah, these are more shop orientated because they're not going to kill people.
Yeah.
But they'll still have some oomph.
Yeah.
Right. Delicious BBQ Habanero, a super delicious corn chip recipe that's been infused with our habanero chili, then smothered in an amazing blend of spicy, tangy and smoky seasoning flavours that will sure to leave you wanting more. Oh, that sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Cheers, Mick. Thanks for sending them. And cannot wait.
Oh, they smell good.
They smell pretty good.
You could make nachos with them.
Oh, yes. We'll grab one or two.
I'll grab two. I'll grab two banger.
Have to grab two. Same as the other ones. But smothered in a nice tangy barbecue sauce. Cheers.
Cheers.
They're nice.
Yeah, they've got a nice flavour to them. And the barbecue tinge to it. Goes well with beer.
Ah, there you go. Heat doesn't seem to kick in until after you finished eating.
Yeah.
Do you notice that?
Yeah. You only get the barbecue with a little bit of chili at the start.
Yeah. You get the flavour coming through, but no heat. Finish eating, and now it's kicked in. And oh, that's a nice burn.
Yeah.
All over the mouth, back of the throat's coughing a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Habanero heat.
Yeah. They're a nice thick chip too. Not like a thin CC or burrito.
This packet's not going to last long. Flavour, sensational. Heat, perfect.
Yeah. Doesn't hit you straight away.
No, it doesn't hit you straight away, but it's nice, solid, deep. The more you have, it's sort of picking up a little bit more. You can definitely feel it in the back of the throat, around the whole mouth. But that flavour.
You go nice with tappers.
Yeah. Oh, I just had a bit go whack, hit me in the back of the throat. But,
Yeah, they're good. Keep eating them all night.
Oh, wow. They're getting better and better and more I eat. No, it's not. The heat sort of...
Building the more you go, yeah.
Yeah, the more you go, it's building a bit more. Oh, yeah. Not at a deadly level, so... I don't know about most people. What do you reckon? If you weren't that much of a chili freak, you get a good... But it definitely has a decent heat there, like habanero. So if you don't mind habanero heat, spot on. Oh, wow.
That nice that you just keep eating them.
Yeah, I
but
know,
then you'll
I know.
stop and then you'll have that extra build up of chili.
You actually get more. In these ones you're getting 50 grams. These ones, bigger pack. How many grams? 85 grams. Wow. When I talk, I can feel that heat coming through. But that flavour is sensational.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. Oh, that's got a lot on that one.
And you get a fair few. So that's good. Although they're not going to last long because I'm just going to keep eating. Oh. No, don't put it back in.
That was extra red, that one.
Brilliant. Wow. The flavour. Barbecuey, tangy, slightly smoky. Nailed it.
Yeah.
Exactly what it says, it does. Tongue is sort of going off a bit now, back of the throat's going off a bit now, so yeah. The more you eat, the deeper, more solid the build you get. Wow, that is sensational. Alright. There you have it, the delicious barbecue habanero from the Chili Seed Bank. Thanks so much, Mick, for those. They are sensational. We'll pass on a 5 minute later because I just want to eat more of them.
I got the other pack.
Alright, well there you have it. Get into them and early January 2019 they should be available. And if you have a shop that gets stuff like that in, get them to get some in. They're great. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Thanks Mick for sending them, and we'll catch you all later.